Is auto-approving affiliates a good idea for your program? Probably not. I'm going to give you 5 big reasons on why. Here we go. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Dustin here again, spreading that good word about affiliate marketing. If you're new to the channel, click on down there, smash that subscribe button. Don't want to miss out on those big affiliate management tips. Today's topic is the auto approval process for applications in affiliate programs. So there's an option on almost every network and platform to allow partners to join your program and automatically be accepted. And in theory, it sounds like a good idea since you don't have to spend time checking applications and maybe your program can grow faster. But should you be approving everyone that has to join? Absolutely not. Let's go over those 5 reasons why. Reason number 1, brand reputation. More is not always better. You want quality over quantity. And quality affiliates know that any program that is on auto approve and not managed actively, there's going to be more likely that it's going to be filled with affiliates that are going to steal their last click. So they'll move on to another brand. What would you rather have? More affiliates that are less reliable and produce less income, or few affiliates who are reliable and responsive and respect the brand? The choice is pretty obvious here. You are not doing anyone any favors by accepting sites to your program that have no ties to the content around your niche market. Now, approving them is going to give them false hope, and you're actually wasting everybody's time. You don't want Mr. Bigglesworth's cat blog over here promoting your SEO software. Although their site could probably use SEO Buddy to improve their rank, they aren't going to produce any sales. So your brand isn't going to be helped by Grumpy Cat over here suggesting his favorite hosting solution. Just do everybody a favor and decline the sites that don't belong in your program. Reason number 2, your numbers will suffer. The program is not judged by how many affiliates are in your program, but rather how many sales are coming from it. So earnings per click, or EPC for short, is one of the most enticing stats that good affiliates recognize when they join new programs. If it's high, they know other affiliates are successfully making money with your program. But random sites that have nothing to do with your niche and are going to drive that number down, they aren't doing it on purpose, but they're not going to bring you any value either. So Garfield over here should be focusing on content around lasagna recipes, not wasting your time and clicks about your SaaS product. Reason number 3, missed opportunities. When affiliates apply to your program, they are interested in promoting your brand right now. You have the opportunity to take advantage of that excitement, and you should be giving them that red carpet treatment. Roll it on out. Roll out. Red carpet. Oh. If you let them in automatically, you're just going to give them an autoresponder email. You're going to give them a link and say, Godspeed. And they may or may not start producing. But as the affiliate manager, you never know what kind of potential they have with an auto accept. Now, on the other hand, imagine an experience where an affiliate applies to the program. They get accepted within 24 hours. They get a personal note from the affiliate manager saying, I see potential in you. Let's have a conversation. Here's all the marketing assets that you need to succeed. What can I do for you? This is going to set the tone for the relationship. The affiliate will know that they have a great partner, and that's going to generate some loyalty to the brand. Now, this could be a difference between a partner bringing in just a few sales or 100 sales a month. So don't miss this opportunity to connect. Reason number 4, fraudulent behavior. This might be the most important reason, so listen carefully. If you let anyone into your program, you are allowing potentially dangerous websites that spread malware or even your brand name on logos and sites that you likely don't want to be associated with. Maybe like adult content or gambling, etc. Like, whoa! No, thank you, video editor. Get that out of here. There are affiliates out there that make a good living off joining programs that have loopholes where they can spend $10 in self-submit sales and earn $50 in commission. Personally, with my fraud prevention background, I could easily make 6 figures going out there and doing things like this. Luckily, I have a good moral compass and I like helping people instead of cheating the system. But not everybody is like me. And the fraudsters will look at programs that are auto-approving and recognize that these are most likely not having dedicated people and nobody's going to catch them. Reason number 5, you are not saving time. Some people can argue that you save time filtering through application. Sure, I won't argue that. If you have a seasoned professional running your program who knows what affiliate fraud looks like and knows the red flags for each program, and they have some kind of automated drip email campaign that sends that red carpet treatment without doing anything, then sure, auto-approving can help save some time with the application process. However, most seasoned affiliate managers do not like this option anyway because it opens up the fraud potential that they might not catch. And even if the affiliate manager is capable of properly investigating spikes in sales, you don't want their time being absorbed by checking sales that come through the affiliate channel. The bottom line here, auto-approving is not going to save you any time. And it actually causes more problems that will require more time to fix later on. In conclusion, don't auto-approve. That's it for me, folks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this, growing your affiliate programs. Good luck out there. Keep those clicks coming, and we'll see you next time. Important reason, so listen carefully. Shh. It's me. I'm the video editor. I put that